Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English the Natural Way. I'm Alex.
Hi, friends. I'm Linda. We're so excited to have you with us today. Whether you're at home, studying, or relaxing, thank you for joining us.
Today, we're exploring three useful words: almost, probably, and definitely.
These words all express different levels of certainty.
Understanding them helps you express how sure you are about something.
They're used constantly in everyday conversation.
By the end of this episode, you'll use all three confidently.
Before we start, please like this episode and subscribe to English the Natural Way.
All right, let's get started.
First, let's understand what these words mean.
They all show how certain or likely something is.
But they express different levels of certainty.
Almost means nearly or not quite.
Probably means likely but not certain.
Definitely means certainly, 100% sure.
Let's explore each one.
Word 1. Almost.
Almost means nearly or very close to, but not quite.
The key idea is it didn't happen or isn't complete.
Structure: almost plus verb, adjective, or number.
I almost fell. Almost done. Almost 100 people.
Uses of almost.
Use 1. Something nearly happened but didn't.
I almost missed the bus, but I didn't miss it.
She almost won, but she didn't win.
Use 2. Very close to a number or amount.
Almost 50 people came. It's almost midnight. I've been here almost an hour.
Use 3. Nearly finished or complete.
I'm almost done. We're almost there. Dinner is almost ready.
Use 4. Very close to a quality.
It's almost perfect. He's almost tall enough. She's almost fluent in Spanish.
Word 2. Probably.
Probably means likely or most likely. Good chance, but not 100% sure.
The key idea is high possibility, but some uncertainty.
Structure: probably plus will, is or verb, or subject plus will probably plus verb.
It will probably rain. I'll probably go. She's probably right.
Uses of probably.
Use 1. Making predictions with uncertainty.
It will probably rain tomorrow. She'll probably arrive late.
Use 2. Expressing assumptions or beliefs.
He's probably at home. They probably forgot. She probably knows.
Use 3. Giving opinions with less than full confidence.
This is probably the best option. She's probably the smartest student.
Use 4. Softening statements to sound less direct.
You're probably right. I probably should go. That's probably enough.
Word 3. Definitely.
Definitely means certainly or without doubt, 100% sure.
The key idea is complete certainty or strong confirmation.
Structure: definitely plus will / verb, or subject plus will definitely plus verb.
I will definitely come. She's definitely here. That's definitely wrong.
Uses of definitely.
Use 1. Expressing strong certainty.
I definitely saw him. She definitely said yes. We definitely need this.
Use 2. Making firm commitments or promises.
I'll definitely be there. We'll definitely help you. She'll definitely call.
Use 3. Strongly agreeing or confirming.
Yes, definitely. Definitely agree. That's definitely true.
Use 4. Emphasizing something is absolute.
This is definitely the best. He's definitely wrong. That's definitely a problem.
The key differences.
Almost is nearly, but not quite.
Probably is likely, maybe 70–80% sure.
Definitely is certainly, 100% sure.
Almost is about closeness. Probably is about likelihood. Definitely is about certainty.
Let's practice with a conversation.
Alex, are you coming to the party tonight?
I'll probably come, but I'm not sure yet. I almost finished my work, but I still have a bit more to do.
When will you know for sure?
I'll definitely know by 6 p.m. If I finish my work, I'll definitely be there.
Great. How many people do you think will attend?
Probably around 30 people. Sarah said almost 25 confirmed and a few more will probably show up.
Should I bring food?
You probably should. There'll definitely be drinks, but probably not enough food.
Okay, I'll definitely bring something. I almost forgot. What time does it start?
It starts at 8, but people will probably arrive around 8:30. I'll probably get there by 9.
Did you notice all 3 words?
I'll probably come. Likely, not certain.
I almost finished. Nearly done, but not quite.
I'll definitely know. 100% certain.
I'll definitely be there. Strong commitment.
Probably around 30 people. Likely estimate.
Almost 25 confirmed. Close to that number.
Will probably show up. Likely, but uncertain.
You probably should. Suggestion, not certain.
Will definitely be drinks. 100% sure.
Probably not enough food. Likely situation.
I'll definitely bring something. Firm commitment.
I almost forgot. Nearly forgot, but remembered.
Will probably arrive.
I'll probably get there.
All 3 use naturally.
Common mistakes to avoid.
Mistake 1. Using almost for things that did happen.
Wrong. I almost won the race. If you actually won. Correct. I almost won. You came close but lost.
Almost means it didn't happen.
Mistake 2. Overusing probably when you're certain.
Weak, I'll probably be there when you're certain. Better, I'll definitely be there.
Use definitely for certainty.
Mistake 3. Using definitely too casually.
Too strong. I'll definitely maybe go. Correct. I'll probably go or I'll definitely go.
Don't mix certainty levels.
Mistake 4. Wrong word order with probably.
Wrong, I'll probably will go. Better, I will probably go or I'll probably go.
Position matters.
Mistake 5. Confusing almost with most.
Wrong. Almost people came. Correct. Almost everyone came or most people came.
Different meanings.
Almost in different contexts.
Near completion.
Almost finished. Almost ready. Almost there. Almost done.
Close to numbers.
Almost 100. Almost half. Almost everyone. Almost nothing.
Nearly happened.
Almost fell. Almost forgot. Almost missed. Almost won.
Probably in different contexts.
Future predictions.
It'll probably rain. She'll probably call. They'll probably agree.
Current assumptions.
He's probably sleeping. She's probably busy. They're probably home.
Past guesses.
He probably forgot. She probably left. They probably knew. Definitely in different contexts.
Strong certainty.
I definitely know. She definitely said that. It's definitely true.
Firm commitments.
I'll definitely help. We'll definitely attend. She'll definitely reply.
Absolute agreement.
I definitely yes. I definitely agree. That's definitely right.
Certainty scale.
From least to most certain.
Almost. Didn't happen but was close.
Probably, likely, maybe 70 to 80%.
Definitely. Certain 100%.
Other words on the scale.
Maybe 50%. Possibly 40 to 50%. Certainly 100%.
Tone and formality.
Almost is neutral.
Works in any context.
Probably is casual to neutral.
Common in conversation.
Definitely can be emphatic.
Shows strong feeling or certainty.
Real life scenarios.
Making plans. I'll probably be free. I'm almost done with work. I'll definitely let you know.
Shopping.
This is almost perfect. I'll probably buy it. I definitely want this.
Work situations.
I've almost finished the report. We'll probably meet the deadline. I'll definitely submit it on time.
Detailed examples.
Time and schedules. It's almost 5 o'clock. She'll probably arrive at 6. We'll definitely start at 7.
Food and eating.
Dinner's almost ready. I'll probably eat pasta. I definitely want dessert.
Travel and trips.
We're almost at the airport. It'll probably take an hour. We'll definitely catch the flight.
Weather.
It's almost summer. It'll probably rain. It's definitely cold today.
Health and fitness.
I almost reached my goal. I'll probably exercise tomorrow. I definitely feel better.
Learning and education.
I'm almost fluent. I'll probably pass the test. I definitely studied enough.
Technology.
The battery's almost dead. It'll probably work. This definitely needs an update.
Money and finance.
I almost have enough. I'll probably save more. I definitely need to budget.
Relationships.
We almost met last week. She'll probably call. I definitely miss you.
Sports and games.
I almost scored. We'll probably win. She's definitely the best player.
Entertainment.
The movie's almost over. I'll probably watch it. This is definitely my favorite.
Shopping and purchases.
It's almost sold out. I'll probably buy it later. I definitely need this.
Work and career.
I'm almost promoted. I'll probably get a raise. I'll definitely apply for the job.
Home and living.
The house is almost clean. I'll probably redecorate. I definitely need more space.
Social events.
Almost everyone's here. She'll probably attend. I'll definitely go to the wedding.
With different tenses.
Present.
Almost. I'm almost ready. Probably. She's probably right. Definitely. It's definitely true.
Past.
Almost. I almost fell. Probably. He probably forgot. Definitely. I definitely saw it.
Future.
Almost. Rare. Probably. I'll probably go. Definitely. I'll definitely come.
Questions.
With almost.
Are we almost there? Is it almost done? Did you almost finish?
With probably.
Will it probably rain? Is she probably coming? Did he probably leave?
With definitely.
Are you definitely coming? Is it definitely true? Did she definitely say yes?
Negatives.
With almost.
I almost didn't make it. She almost never calls. It's almost impossible.
With probably.
It probably won't happen. She probably isn't coming. I probably shouldn't.
With definitely.
I definitely won't go. It's definitely not true. She definitely doesn't know.
Emphasis.
Stressing words.
I almost died. It'll probably work. I definitely will.
Combining them.
Rarely used together.
I almost probably said yes. Awkward. Better, I almost said yes, or I probably would have said yes.
Responses.
Agreeing.
Almost. Probably. Definitely.
Short answers.
Will you come? Probably. Are you sure? Definitely.
Softening versus strengthening.
Almost and probably soften statements.
I almost think you're right. I probably agree.
Definitely strengthen statements.
I definitely think you're right.
Cultural usage.
British versus American.
Slight differences in frequency.
Both use all three commonly.
Common collocations.
With almost.
Almost always, almost never, almost certainly, almost immediately.
With probably.
Probably not, most probably, quite probably, very probably.
With definitely.
Most definitely, very definitely, definitely not, absolutely definitely. Position in sentences.
Almost usually before the main word. I almost finished. It's almost ready. Almost everyone came.
Probably can move. I'll probably go. I probably will go. Probably I'll go.
Definitely also flexible.
I'll definitely come. I definitely will come. Definitely I'll come.
Polite expressions.
Using probably for politeness.
You're probably right. I probably should have asked. That's probably enough.
Emotions and feelings.
I almost cried. I'll probably feel better tomorrow. I'm definitely happy now.
Decision making.
I almost chose the other option. I'll probably decide tomorrow. I've definitely made up my mind.
Achievements.
I almost reached the summit. I'll probably achieve my goal. I definitely succeeded.
Memory and recall.
I almost remembered his name. I probably met her before. I definitely know this place.
Advice and suggestions.
You almost had it right. You should probably rest. You definitely need help.
Compliments.
You're almost as tall as me. You're probably the smartest here. You're definitely talented.
Warnings.
You almost spilled it. It'll probably break if you drop it. That's definitely dangerous.
Opinions.
This is almost perfect. This is probably the best choice. This is definitely my favorite.
Comparisons.
It's almost as good as the original. It's probably better than the last one. It's definitely superior.
Regrets.
I almost told him the truth. I probably should have spoken up. I definitely regret not going.
Habits and routines.
I almost never eat breakfast. I probably exercise 3 times a week. I definitely drink coffee daily.
Quick review.
Almost means nearly but not quite.
Shows something was close but didn't happen.
I almost won. Almost done. Almost 50 people.
Used for near completion, close to numbers, things that nearly happened.
Probably means likely but not certain.
Shows high possibility, around 70 to 80%.
It'll probably rain. She's probably home. I'll probably go.
Used for predictions, assumptions, softening statements.
Definitely means certainly, 100% sure.
Used for certainty, firm commitments, strong agreement.
I'll definitely come. It's definitely true. She definitely knows.
Used for certainty, firm commitments, strong agreement.
Certainty scale. Almost didn't happen. Probably, likely, definitely, certain.
Almost is about closeness.
Probably is about likelihood.
Definitely is about certainty.
Use almost when something was close but didn't happen.
Use probably when something is likely but you're not 100% sure.
Use definitely when you're absolutely certain.
You now understand all 3 completely.
These words help you express exactly how sure you are.
Use them to communicate your level of certainty clearly.
If you enjoyed this episode, thumbs up.
Subscribe to English the Natural Way for more clear lessons.
Leave a comment. Write sentences using all 3 words.
We love seeing you practice.
Keep learning, keep practicing, keep building confidence.
See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.